The text here has already been wrapped with HTML tags. Next, let's learn how to style it using CSS. Learning HTML is basically about learning HTML tags. Likewise, learning CSS is basically about learning CSS properties. Each CSS property carries one styling command, and all CSS properties are made out of three parts: property name, colon, and property value. One CSS property can have one or several values simultaneously. For a CSS property to work, you must first assign it to a HTML tag. When assigning CSS properties to HTML tags, there is one thing you should pay extra attention to: the compatibility issue. Certain CSS properties only work with certain HTML tags. You cannot just pick a random CSS property and assign it to any HTML tag that you want. They might not work with each other. We will learn more about this later. Every CSS property has an effective range. The effective range of a CSS property is decided by the HTML tag it's assigned to. For example, if you assign a CSS property to the body tag, then its effective range will be very wide. If you assign a CSS property to a p tag, its effective range is limited to that p tag. CSS can be divided into three categories: inline CSS, internal CSS, or external CSS.